Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I decided to do a completely different video from the tech world. I got this on Amazon. This is a toolbox with an electric drill. The company name is Toolman. Now it comes in this box and we can see the specifications here. It's a cordless drill, has 15 pieces inside, some gloves, and has number of speeds up to 1400 RPMs. This is the drill. Now I've previously opened this box, but for the dramatic effect I've put everything back inside. We have handling instructions here, basically the manual. We have the gloves here, very nice gloves. These gloves have some good grip. Make sure to use the gloves when you work with this electric drill or any other electric drill. Now this was just for the demonstration. Also we have the charger. Now this drill has the button here, a button here on the left side and a button on the right side. If we keep the button in the middle, you can see like this, the drill won't work. But if we go press the button and the right side is out, we can see that it works. Also for the left side, we can change the speeds here, and also we can insert this thing here in order to make a hole. Now let me just grab a piece of wood and test it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little test here. This is the piece of wood and I'm gonna try to do it in slow motion actually. Okay, so I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video that we also have this other piece here. Now basically this is an extension. We need to tighten this up here, and if we have like a weird spot to do, we can keep it like this and we can see that it works. Okay, so now I will try to do a demonstration real quick. I did a test previously. Now I'm gonna do it on the other side just to connect these two pieces of wood. These two should match together. The two pieces of wood needs to be balanced. Now I'm just gonna keep them like this. The speed is set at approximately 17 or 18, and let's go. Okay, on the other side, because we need to go in. Now that you think that the hole is deep enough, just press this button here and push to go out. Now we saw that we dug the hole here and here. Now we're just gonna connect them, and we are going to remove this thing here. And what we need to do next is that we need to match the screw here with the head of electric drill. Okay, also be sure that this is tight too. Here on the left side we are going in, and when we go on the right side we are going out. I'm an amateur, so bear with me, but I know that when we insert the screw we don't need to go fast like this, because we can damage the drill and shorten its life. We need to go slow. As I said, we need to go slow, because if we go fast we can damage the electric drill. Now we push the button here and we're gonna remove the screw. We push the button on the other side. As we can see, we dug the hole and connected these two pieces of wood. And as we can see, we can build like a small table. Now I'm doing this work on daytime, but if we're gonna work on nighttime, if we press like this, we see that we have a flashlight here. Also, I forgot to mention that the charging port is on the bottom right side here. I will put in the description below the link where you can find this electric drill, and it's one of the most affordable ones on Amazon. And with that being said, I want to end this video by saying thank you so much for watching a non-tech video, and I will see you on the next one.